Anong tawag mo? Siyang partial.
Nag-relive, mag-ano ka daw ulit.
You need to relive. Okay, fine.
Just
Huwag
keep
na.
taping, it will go away, sabi nung isa.
Just keep what?
Taping. What is this? Oh, action.
Action.
Relive daw!
Ang bilis ni Angel, no?
Just keep what?
Just keep, you know,
Swimming?
just keep taping it, you know?
Eh, so kailangan ko mag-relive? O, wag na, end na natin.
Sino-sino
Mag-live
po kasama mo, boss? Ano lang po, tanod.
Bodyguard po.
Tanod ni Jens.
Wag na, ayoko na mag-relive.
Up for selling ang ating mga polar.
Guys! May kukwento pa naman sana ako.
But my bodyguard.
Okay, relive na nga natin, Mi. Bye.